Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make EBI KATSU. EBI KATSU is shrimp cutlet. And today I'm using a very Japanese ingredient that makes EBI KATSU so fluffy. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this EBI KATSU, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400-gram shrimp, 2 hand-pan fish cakes. This is the key ingredients to make the EBI KATSU fluffy. Panko breadcrumb, all-purpose flour, it's about 1 cup, and some salt and pepper. I'm preparing the shrimp first, so let's remove the shell. If there is any vein, you need to devein it, but this one looks clean. When I devein, I use toothpick. Put it at the back side of the shrimp and gently pull it up. Yep, it's a clean shrimp. Shell removed and deveined. Let's wash and dry them raw. And half of the shrimp into the bowl. And cut the other half into chunks. About this size. Put the shrimp you saved in the bowl in the food processor. Hand-pan fish cake as you break it into pieces. Some salt and pepper, about half a teaspoon. And blend until it's smooth. Looks good. Let's take it out in a large bowl. Put the chunky half of the shrimp into the bowl. Give it a mix. Like this. And make it into 8 balls with wet hands. Then make it flat, like a disc. Now I'm going to bread them, so let's make some batter. 1 cup of water into 1 cup of flour. Mix it well. Disc-shaped shrimp into the batter. Then panko breadcrumb. Like this. It's all breaded, so I'm going to fry them. Heat up some vegetable oil over medium to medium-high heat. Put the chopstick into the oil, and if you see small bubbles coming up, that's the right temperature. Put ebi katsu gently into the oil. And fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Nice color on both sides, so let's take them out. All fried. Let me show you how it looks inside. Nice and fluffy. So, ebi katsu is ready to go. Time for the tasting. You can have it with any sauce you like, but my favorite is mixture of ketchup and mayonnaise, 1 to 1. So let's put some sauce. And, itadakimasu. It's so crispy on the outside and it's so fluffy inside. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Ebi katsu is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and onion miso soup here. You can have anything you like for the side dishes, but I normally have some sort of pickles either off the shelf or homemade for one of them. For the other one, how about nori and lettuce salad? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!